Okay, Assalamualaikum. Today we're going to learn about how to download your design from TinkerCAD and upload it into CGTrader. Okay, first, okay, after you have completed your design, for example, I make shoes. I want you to press this TinkerCAD logo. All right, you just wait for a while. All right, okay, and then after this, your project will be listed here. All right, and then I want you to click the one that you want to download. Okay, for example, I want to download these shoes. I just press these shoes, and there is a download button over here. I want you to press download and choose .obj. Okay, I want you to choose .obj. All right, just wait for a while until you can see something is being downloaded down here. Okay, and then it says that download complete. Okay, this is the first step. All right, so the next thing is I want you to go into CGTrader. Okay, you go to, okay, you type in CGTrader. Okay, all right, and we have the CGTrader. You press this link until you can see this thing. Okay, if you look into the upper right hand corner, you can see a button called login. Okay, I want you to press login and continue via Google. I want you to press continue via Google. Okay, after this, I want you to choose your email. For example, I'm using my school email. I want you to use your school email also. Press your school email and you have successfully logged in into CGTrader. How do you do that? Okay, you can see this icon, and you can see that it belongs to me. Okay, this is how you make sure that you are in your account. Okay, after this, I want you to press this upload button. There's a upload button beside your profile pictures. Press this, and then after this, you can see the browse button. Okay, press browse. Okay, and then go into download because you have downloaded inside your Chromebook, and I want you to actually choose the project that you have downloaded from ThinkCAD. For example, I just downloaded Asni Shoes. I press this Asni Shoes, and then I press open. Okay, all right, because this is only the first part. Okay, we want to actually upload the pictures of the design so people can actually look at our design before they decided to buy it. So what you should do is you go into TinkerCAD again, close this. You can actually take a pictures of your things. Okay. For example, I would love to actually look it from here. Okay. You can actually do a screen capture. How to do a screen capture? You press this clock, and then you have this screen capture button. Press the screen capture button, and I want it to actually surround your design with the square. You can adjust it actually. You can adjust it. Okay, you can adjust it until it's around the whole pictures. And then I want to press capture. All right, very good. And then after that, you have to actually make another angle for your pictures. Okay, for your design because people want to look at different angles. So you can actually press tinker this also. Okay, and then I wanted to actually change the angle of your pictures to a different view. For example, I want to take the pictures from the top, so I just press top and I make it bigger, and I press this clock, press this screen capture, and I want to take a pictures of my product from the top. So I just make something like this, right? Okay. All right, nice. All right, and then I do a screen capture, and I wanted to do a third pictures. I want it to be from the front here. Just now it's from the back. Okay, how about from here? It's nice. Okay, all right. Okay, all right. And I want to take my pictures from here. I can close this one also. Close. All right. All right. So I just press this, press screen capture, and I want to adjust. I just surround my pictures. Okay, with the capture. All right, and I press capture in the center. Okay, great. So I go back to CGTrader. Okay, I press browse, and I actually choose my screenshot. Okay, okay, and then I can see the screenshot over here. Okay, this is the first pictures that I have done uploaded. Okay, okay, and then I press another one, browse. I want to actually add another one. Okay, the second one, first and second. Okay, this one is my previous one. I don't want this. I just remove this thing. I have one, two, and the other one is the third angle of my screenshot. Okay, I press this. Okay, now I have three different angle for my products. It's easy for people to buy because they know how it looks like. So the next thing is you have to actually put the title. Okay. All right. And then I want to put the description. Nice and comfortable shoes. Okay, for walking. All right. For example, okay, you can make anything that is related to your products. You have put in your title, this description, and then this is the tag. Okay, the tag is actually okay. If people want to buy your product, if people want to actually find your product in CTrader, what are the keywords they use? For example, something that's related to your product. For example, shoes, of course. Okay, press shoe and then press enter. Okay, you have to make at least five. First is shoe. The second one is, for example, uh, food. For example, okay, enter, and then for example, walking. For example, because it's a walking shoes. The third one, the fourth one is maybe you want to put something like what else? Sneakers or something. All right. And then the fifth one is going to be, for example, strollers or something, or what? For example, comfortable. For example, comfortable. I mean, for example, okay. All of this is related to my products. Okay. All right. Okay, see, all right, comfortable, comfortable. Okay, then press enter. All right, comfortable. You have shoes, food, walking, sneakers, and comfortable, which is actually related to my products. And after that, you just change this one into 3D print, and then 3D print, and then after that, you choose millimeters. Choose millimeters because it's the one that you use to measure your products. And one more thing after that, you have to choose the categories. Okay, this is what it is. This is a fashion or something, and you can actually use shoes. We have shoes. Okay, if your product is not listed here, you can make it into others. Okay, 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 okay. Because it's a fashion, and then if your product is not listed here, you can actually choose anything that is closely related. Okay, it doesn't matter. So, okay, just place shoes because I have shoes. And I want to make the price of the 3D things. Okay, let's say I wanted to make it 5 USD, royalty free, and then I press publish. All right. Okay, that's all. Item was successfully published. Okay, thank you very much. All right. So this is, I have two things that have been published. If I want to look at my product, I can press this. Okay. So Alhamdulillah, I have published my product. Thank you very much.